Guys, running Kimono here. So, are you looking for some cotton balls and would you like for them to be for free? It seems like every weekend around this time I make a video of saying, run to Walgreens, run, run. So, this is a tale of two stories. I'm going to show you a friend of mine on Instagram how she made it happen and how I made it happen for 50 cents each. So it is at your discretion if you want to do this deal, and if you don't want to do this deal, stay home, watch some Netflix. Cobra Kai is pretty awesome. So in your digital coupons folder, you're going to be looking for this one that specifically has thank you on the top left hand side. So not every card gets it. The more you shop, the more of these perk thank you coupons that you get. I also have the sneakiest suspicion that tomorrow by 3 o'clock this will be a dead deal. It's not going to work either way, because they seem to let this run its course for like 24 hours and then they just like evaporate. So if you want to do this deal, I would move on it tonight. And then if you don't want to do this deal, then just pass on it altogether. But if you're going to try later in the week, who knows, maybe the coupon will still be in your file, maybe it won't be. So it's just one of those things that's kind of all up in the air. I did try to use the Walgreens app to scan the barcode on these bags of little cotton balls, and it wouldn't even scan. So that new app update is awesome because nothing seems to work on it. But this is Sacktown Couponer over on Instagram, her receipt, and she's a fantastic couponer. She was posting about this earlier in the day. She picked up 12 of these in sets of 2, and when you buy them in sets of 2 at her store, they were ringing up 2 for 2. With that loaded coupon, it zeroes out to free for her. So that worked out like gorgeously for her. Over here in rural Michigan, I grabbed 14. They had a massive display, guys. I didn't clear the store, but I did grab a lot because this is something that I use a lot. My mom uses a lot, so I thought it was a really good stock up price. They were ringing up 2 for 3, and I did see that at checkout, but even for 50 cents each, it was like totally worth it for me. So if you wanted to see if your store was ringing up 2 for 2 or 3 for 2, what you would do is get the cashier to scan 2 of them with your store card and say, hey, could you price check this for me? And that's how you would figure it out if you wanted to grab 6, or if you just wanted to grab 2. So don't be shy to ask for a price check before you buy them, and make sure that your card is scanned in so they will have that price. So just to look at this, guys, the top one is my receipt and the bottom one is Sacktown Couponers. And as you could see, it says Walgreens Beauty Jumbo Cotton Balls, Pom Pom 70 count. That's the one that you're looking for. And the item number is below it, which is 049022 49065. Same item, 2 different prices, 2 different places in the US. So it's either going to be 50 cents each or free. So the only way you'll figure this out is to go to your store and try it. And I know that's quite frustrating, but it's just part of the dance. So what does the bag look like? Here it is, super jumbo cotton balls, 70 count. It has to be this one because this is the one that's attaching with that thank you coupon. And you have to grab them in sets of 2, not negotiable, guys. So like I explained earlier, if you want to just get a price check with your store card, 3 for 2 or 2 for 2, and then you can decide if you want to grab 6, or if you want to grab 4, or if you just want to get, if it's 3 for 2, if you just want to grab 2 bags and pay $1 for the 2, that's also perfect. But this is a product that my mom uses a lot of, and I use a lot of, so I'm okay with that, especially if you're into fancy skincare. You know that you probably go through a lot of these, and even 50 cents, that's a total stock up price for me. So it didn't work out the way I wanted it to, but I'm fine with that. And just to have I got 14 bags of this. Again, I didn't clear the store, please don't come for me. But this is something that we definitely will use, and I used points to pay down the balance. Where do you find this in the store? So where the skincare aisle is? On an end cap right near it, they had a display, and it was at the bottom left-hand side in a little container. They had 2 sections filled with these 70 counters, so that's where you will specifically find it. So hopefully this is crystal clear and you guys can grasp what I just explained. Grab them in sets of 2 and then just ask for a price check, or if paying $1 for 2 is cool for you, then that would be the stock up price. I would do this sooner than later because they might just remove this like they did last week with the trail mix, or it might go on for a couple of days, because some of us are actually paying the balance of it. Like I had to pay 50 cents per bag, and I used points to pay that down, so I wasn't feeling it out of pocket. But even at 50 cents for this many cotton balls, and it's a good quality, it's totally worth it. Good luck with this one, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.